Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Cash App account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Cash App account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in cash.app like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Cash App like this, where on the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available over here. And to log into your account, you'll be required to click on this login button first. Let's click on it, and you'll be over here, which is the login page of the Cash App. But first you'll be required to enter your number of the Cash App account like this, and after you have chosen your country code, enter your phone number like this, and you will be required to enter the next button, and then our code will be sent to your Cash App phone number, and then you'll be required to enter that verification code on over here. But before that, we'll be using our email. Now in order to log into your Cash App account from over here, enter your email address which you had created an account on the email section, and click on next after you have entered your email address. And there you can see guys, you'll be required to enter the confirmation code on the email address. And after you have entered your confirmation code over here guys, click on next, and then you'll be signed into your Cash App account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your Cash App account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.